To take the hearing test on the phone itself, you have to put the AirPods Pro 2 inside of your ears. It will go through a fit check with you. Then you're listening for beeps, and every time that you hear the beeps, you want to tap the screen. Now you want to make sure that you do this in a quiet room, because if you do not do it in a quiet room, it's going to give you warnings saying that the ambient sound is too loud, and it will pause the test. And sometimes when you get completed with the test, it will tell you that there was too much noise throughout the test and you have to repeat it again. In terms of accuracy, the hearing test feature inside of the iPhone was pretty accurate at identifying my hearing loss and the asymmetry in my hearing loss, and you can see a direct comparison between my professional audiogram here on the right and the audiogram obtained through the iPhone on the left.